Hi, Almas. Is it raining?
Yes.
Oh. What color is the grass?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Oh. What are you going to do today?
Num-nums.
Oh, you're going to go eat?
Yes.
What are you going to eat?
Rice.
Rice?
Yes.
Oh, it sounds delicious. Do you like rice?
Yes.
What else are you going to have?
Um,
What other food are you going to have?
These noodles.
You're going to have cheesy noodles?
No.
You like cheesy noodles?
That's home. That's home.
Okay, come here.
That's home.
Not yet. Look. Go see her. Do you see her? Why are we waiting for Nana? Come here. Why are we waiting for Nana? Almost. Why are we waiting for Nana? Come here.
No.
Is it cold?
No.
Is it raining?
No.
Is it a rainy day?
No.
Is it a sunny day?
What's that?
How old are you?
2,
How old are you going to be on your next birthday?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, what are you going to do for your birthday?
A patient.
You're going to have presents?
Yeah.
Lots of presents or a little bit of presents?
That's a thing.
Okay. All right, well, let's go inside, okay?
No.
You don't want to go in?
No.
How come?
There's home.
No.
There's home.
Mommy's calling you. You hear her?
No.
Hurry. Mommy's calling.
No. Daddy.
Is your hair wet?
No.
No, because you have a hood on? Oh, now it's going to get wet.
No.
You need some help?
No.
You got it? Good job. All right, let's go.